Imagine a computer so small it fits in the palm of your hand, yet so powerful it makes your current desktop look like a toy. Something very strange is happening in the world of computing right now. For decades, the rule was simple. If you wanted real power, you had to buy a massive tower. You needed a machine that took up half your desk and sounded like a jet engine every time you tried to export a video. But as we move into early 2026, the leaks coming out of Apple's supply chain are describing a shift so radical it makes the old Mac Pro look like a museum piece. We are talking about the M5 Mac Mini. If you are currently using an M1 or even an old Intel-based Mac, you are sitting on a ticking clock. The rumors we have seen over the last few months point to a machine that is no longer just an entry-level Mac. The M5 Mac Mini is being positioned as a silent, invisible supercomputer. It is the device that is going to make you wonder why anyone still buys a laptop they never move from their desk. Let's get right to the heart of the beast. The silicon. The M5 chip isn't just a slightly faster M4. It is the first chip built on an enhanced 3nm plus process. This was specifically designed to bridge the gap between traditional computing and the new age of Apple Intelligence. Early benchmarks are already circulating in the developer community. We are looking at a 10-core CPU as the base model. This includes 6 efficiency cores and 4 performance cores. But it is the GPU where the M5 truly screams. Rumors suggest a massive 45% jump in graphics performance over the M4. For a machine that starts at just $599, that is absolutely unheard of. We are talking about a computer the size of a sandwich that can edit 8K ProRes video and play AAA games at 100 frames per second. But for the power users in New York, LA, and Austin, the real story is the M5 Pro. The leaked specs suggest a 16-core CPU and a 22-core GPU. This is the chip that puts the Mac Studio on notice. It is designed for 3D artists, developers running massive local AI models, and filmmakers who need a render farm that fits in a backpack. In 2026, a computer is only as good as its AI. Apple knows this. The M5 chip is reportedly the first to feature a neural accelerator in every single GPU core. This isn't just marketing fluff. This allows the Mac Mini to handle on-device AI tasks like text-to-image generation and real-time voice synthesis over 4 times faster than the M4 generation. Why does this matter to the average consumer? Because Siri is finally growing up. With the Siri 2.0 rollout happening alongside this hardware, your Mac Mini becomes a proactive agent. It's not just searching the web anymore. It's organizing your files, summarizing your meetings, and automating your workflow locally. Best of all, it does this without your data ever leaving the machine. Privacy is the new luxury, and the M5 Mac Mini is the vault. We also have to address the design. After the massive redesign we saw in 2024, Apple is reportedly sticking with the same compact 5x5-inch chassis. And honestly, that is a good thing. The 2024 redesign was a masterpiece of thermal engineering. It moves air through the bottom of the device, allowing it to stay icy cold even under heavy load. By keeping the same footprint, Apple is focusing all their research and development on what's inside. In my opinion, the M5 Mac Mini is the most important release of the year. It proves that you don't need a massive, expensive tower to do professional work. It is the perfect balance of price, size, and raw power. If you have been waiting to upgrade your home setup, this is the sign you have been looking for. It is rare to see a leap this big in a single generation, but the M5 looks like it will redefine what we expect from a mini computer. If you liked the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.